The Soundcore Life Q20. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll take a look at the Life Q20 by Soundcore. These are over-the-ear style headphones with active noise cancellation. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide, USB-C charging cable, and an audio cable. You also get a storage pouch. The headphone features 40 hours of listening time with ANC on and 60 hours with it off. It has quick charge, so 5 minutes will give you 4 hours, and it takes 3 hours to fully charge. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, AAC and SBC codec, 40mm drivers, button controls, USB-C for charging, and it has active noise cancellation and a bass up feature. This definitely falls on the lighter side for headphones. It's plastic construction all around and typically what you'll find in this price point. The ear cups do swivel out and you have the markings on the inside and on the lower part of the band. They also fold in for easier storage. The ear cup padding is a soft memory foam, and the upper half of the band also is padded well. Taking a look at the outer band, you have the Anchor branding etched in on each side, along with a glossy accent in the middle. Each adjustment level clicks into place, and it has a good range in travel. Overall, it's very flexible and light, so this should have no issues fitting a wide range of head sizes. The outer face of each ear cup has a Soundcore branding with a matte finish. On the left side, you'll find the following: the ANC LED, ANC button, power LED, power button, and microphone. On the right side, you have the volume controls, track controls, multi-function button, microphones, USB-C charge port, and the aux port. The headphones weigh in at 258 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample. Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Soundcore Life Q20 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone worked surprisingly well for me. It came in loud and clear during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. Typically with headphones, the call quality is lacking, and the pairing process was instant. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Life Q20 headphones. They are very comfortable and lightweight. There's a good amount of flex on the band so it doesn't feel like it's squeezing your head. The ear cups are a good size and they cover my ears well. And the padding is very soft. Build and quality is decent. Plastic material all around. Nothing that really stands out. It feels tight and not loose at all. I like the fact that they do swivel out and it also folds in. Button controls are easy to navigate and they're responsive. Battery life is excellent, coming in at 40 hours with ANC and 60 with it off. The active noise cancellation is impressive, probably one of the best, especially in this price range. When toggling it on and off, you will hear the voice telling you which mode you're in. When activated, it did a good job of blocking out the surrounding noises. I had a fan in the room and an air purifier running in the background, and there's definitely a difference when toggling it on and off. Now when it comes to sound, they definitely performed. Bass comes in tight and punchy, and you have the option to turn up the bass up feature, which will dial it up another notch. Definitely not lacking, and these will please the bass lovers out there. I did find it a bit much on certain songs when I had the bass up feature on. Having it off was good enough for me. Mids and highs also come in clean and clear. It's a bit forward but not too bright. Vocals and instruments really stand out, and you may have picked up some of the details in the sound samples. Having noise cancellation on, I did notice that the mids and highs seem to be a bit less forward. Overall, these are an impressive pair of headphones, especially for the price point. The sounds come in strong and energetic, and they performed along with the ANC feature. So that is my review of the Soundcore Life Q20 headphones. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.